Good morning, family. It's your Renaissance Hustler checking in with you, Black Phoenix. I wanted to say something to you this morning. It is time to start living life and stop playing life. Stuff out here is real. With business, with dealing with government, with home ownership, with purchasing vehicles, with putting your kids in school, with locations, with areas, with states. With laws. Things are serious. And you have to take the time to educate yourself so that way you won't make foolish mistakes and then get bitter or mad at someone else. And you know what they'll say to you? It's business. So learn the business. Learn the business. All I'm saying is take some time, learn, invest. Because one thing is a sure fact. If you don't pay for the wisdom, for the education that you want, now you can pay a lot or you can pay a little. But if you don't pay for it, you're going to pay for it in a big way. Hold on.